In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a screenshot limit in Time Doctor 2. Whether you're looking to improve productivity tracking or just ensure that you're getting the most accurate overview of work activity, this process is quite straightforward. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and search for Time Doctor. It's simplest to just type the name into the search bar and hit enter. The first result you should see in the list is typically the official Time Doctor website, and it will have the URL timedoctor.com. Click on this link to be directed to their homepage. Once you're on the Time Doctor website, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for those who already have one, enter your credentials in the login fields provided. After logging in, you will be directed to the main dashboard, which is the hub for managing all your Time Doctor settings. Now that you're in, you'll need to navigate to the Settings or Users page within the web dashboard. This area is specifically designed for user management and configuration. Here, you'll find a list of all the users associated with your account. If you have multiple users and want to make changes for more than one, you can use the bulk edit option. This feature lets you apply the same settings to several users simultaneously, saving you time and effort. Next, you'll look for the column or setting titled Screenshot Frequency, or sometimes it's called Screencasts. This area is crucial because this is where you'll determine how often screenshots are captured. When you find this section, you'll see a drop-down menu that allows you to choose an interval for these screenshots. You can decide between intervals like every 3, 5, 10, or 15 minutes. Or if you prefer, you can disable the feature entirely. This flexibility helps you tailor the setting to best suit your workflow needs. It's essential to clarify that you won't actually be setting a strict limit on the total number of screenshots taken. What you're doing instead is configuring how frequently they are captured within the time period you select. Once you've made your selection, the system automatically saves your changes. From then on, screenshots will be captured at random times within the interval you have set. This randomness ensures that you get a more representative overview of work activity rather than predictable captures that might not provide as accurate a reflection. With these changes in place, you're all set to more effectively monitor and understand productivity and get the most out of Time Doctor's powerful suite of tools. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.